A couple of weeks ago, we planted zoysia plugs here, and all this rain has really kept them green. Since then, Tulsa Grass and Sod down in Bixby donated us several pallets of zoysia sod, and so we have one part of our lawn entirely sodded in zoysia grass, and we're looking forward to having a really nice place to show you how to care for it. Now, with sodding any type of grass, whether it's Bermuda or zoysia, again, the preparation steps are the same. For any lawn preparation, kill out your weeds first, rototill it, add your fertilizer, make sure that it's raked smooth, lay the sod down, make sure that you use an alternating pattern when you're laying the sod, and by all means keep it watered through the summer. Of course, we haven't had that problem here. Now behind me, we sowed some perennial ryegrass in this large bare area because this fall we're going to sow that to K31 and extend our fescue lawn from the orchard on over to our tree line. The perennial rye is just giving us temporary cover for the summer to keep the weeds down and give us a green backdrop.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.